guys, need a new idea for spinach? Try this Korean side dish. First, let's take care of this board. Use a paper towel or your dish towel to stop the cutting board from moving around. Now let's blanch our spinach. These leaves are thin and don't require too much time, so I give it around 30 seconds. Run them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Drain and gently squeeze the water out of the spinach. Cut your spinach. Chop your garlic. I used 2 medium cloves for approximately 11 ounces of spinach. Add your shoyu or soy sauce. This brand is my favorite here on the island. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Add your garlic and mix. Oh, and I almost forgot. Add some sesame seeds for good measure. Mix again. Then plate or bowl your spinach and enjoy.